I've owned and used the Sage Barista Express now for over 4 years, and here are some of the key features and reasons why you should strongly consider this for your home or office. Links in the description if you need them, so let's jump in. It's got a quality built-in Burr grinder to help you get the maximum flavour out of your beans and the ability to grind finer or coarser. You can quickly tamper with the included quality tamper. You can press and release to grind a predetermined amount, which you can adjust using the dial, depending on your requirements, or filter size. Or you can press and hold for a manual grind for your liking or just for topping things up. Included is a useful pressure gauge to monitor your pressure so you can make better extractions or notice anything not quite right, such as over or under extraction and blockages. When it comes to extraction, you can extract either a single shot, double shot, and tweak how much to extract each time using the program feature. You can even perform a manual extraction each time if needed for more or less pre-infusion or more or less at full pressure. Or you can just use the default settings, which are awesome. If you're looking to tweak the temperature for the extraction process, you can do that too. Just check the manual on how to do this. There's an instant hot water outlet for topping things up, and also a 360-degree swivel direction steam wand for pre-warming cups, hot frothy milk and much more. It lets you know when it needs a clean, and it's super easy. It takes 2 minutes and it's mostly hands-free. Video guide for cleaning and descaling in the description below. It comes with cleaning tablets to get you started, and you can purchase cheap but quality cleaning tablets from Amazon, link in the description. It has an easy to clean drip tray and removable wastewater reservoir that also lets you know when it's time to empty. The 2-litre water tank is easy to remove, fill and replace. It also comes with a water filter to keep your machine working great. And there you have it, a superb machine that you can set to your liking or just leave to the default values for great results. I use this machine to make espresso, latte, cappuccino, but mostly just a long black coffee for me. I make 3+ coffees a day with this machine and will purchase this again in a heartbeat. It looks amazing and produces great results time and time again. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and please share your tips and tricks for the Sage Barista Express in the comments below.